Hi, in this video we are going to consider the last case as far as rebalancing the red-black trees are concerned. So in this case, as you can see, in the previous case, so the case 3, we have approximately the same situation, but the uncle was black. Okay, in this case 4, the uncle has the color red. So we have the node X, the parent of node X is red, the grandparent is black, but the uncle has the color red. So it is the left-leaning situation basically, because this node X is a left child of a left child. Okay, we have to recolor some nodes. So basically we don't have to rotate anything, we just have to recolor the nodes. The parent of node X and the uncle of node X will have the color black, and the grandparent of node X will have the color red. Okay, and it's very important that after this operation, the grandparent is going to be the node X. Why? Because sometimes with this recoloring operation, other parts of the red-black tree may violate the red-black properties. So we have to check recursively up to the root node whether with this recoloring, the red-black properties have been violated or not. Okay. Then the symmetry case is this basically. This node X is a right child of a right child. The uncle is red again. We just have to recolor these nodes. So the parent and the uncle will have the color black, as you can see, and the grandparent of node X, which is this node, is going to be red as far as the color is concerned. And this grandparent is going to be the node X after this case 4 operation. Why? Again, I don't want to repeat myself over and over again, but it's very important that making these rotations and recoloring may violate the red-black properties in other regions of the tree or the subtree. So we have to check up to the root node whether it is a valid red-black tree or not, because sometimes we just recolor some nodes and we come to the conclusion that okay, it violates the red-black properties in other parts of the red-black tree. So, for example, we have to make a left rotation. After the left rotation, again we come to the conclusion that the red-black trees are violated. We just have to make some recoloring again, and so on, up to the root node. So it's going to be again a recursively implemented operation as far as making sure that the given tree is a red-black tree or not. So that's all about the case 4. Thanks for watching.